Are you turning the bus?
Yeah.
Hey Jack, where you going?
To the city.
Yeah?
And now we're stopped at Dunkin' Donuts, then we're gonna go to the city.
And what are you doing in the city? Where are you going?
So we're going to the Transit Museum. So it's the Subway Transit Museum. They have all subway trains. So
Yeah?
yeah.
Hi Max. Hi Max.
No.
Hey.
Hi guys. I'm at the Transit Museum. Come on.
Yeah, you want to go in? Get your train?
Let's show what
I'd like a ticket.
Thank you.
Wait, where's my ticket?
Here.
Thank you. What do you see?
Let me show you. These are the trains. Look at them. This is the H train. There's no H train, right? This is the 4 train.
That's the 4 train?
Look at it. It's so beautiful. It's nice and quiet here.
Yeah, it's quiet, right? There's no one here.
I don't think.
Let's go on. You want to go on an old train?
Oh, that one.
Here, let's look at the old train.
This is an old train.
Yeah.
A long time ago. How many years? Mom?
Yeah.
One day we went here and I said, don't put me on the tracks, Dad. Don't push me on the tracks.
Yeah.
So he won't not push me on the tracks.
You want to go in?
On a train.
On a train, where are we?
We're
Are we at the Transit Museum?
at the Transit Museum.
Yeah, we're looking at the trains?
Yeah, so look at here. It says not in service.
Not in service. Okay.
I thought it was.
How about we go on that really old one across?
Ooh,
Look at that thing.
that's the old shuttle train, right? All these old trains are out. What?
They had fans on it, right?
Yeah. They're comfortable.
They're comfortable?
They're off the train for comfortable.
They're not going to close the doors.
They're old trains.
Jack, they don't run anymore. Say cheese.
Cheese.
Okay, let's go see the other trains.
The other trains, we have to go all the way there.
Yeah, let's go all the way down. You can see more trains.
Ooh, this should look like Express. What is this? The Express. What is this? The Express S train. This is the
Oh, it's the Express.
This is the Come here. This is the Express 1. This is the local 1 train.
That was the local one that we were on?
Yeah, that was the one. That was the local 1 train.
Well, let's get on the Express. Look at New York City Metropolitan Transit. The MTA.
Hi. Let's go on this train.
That train? This one says Houston 2nd Avenue, Queens, Forest Hill.
I think this is the cool.
Oh my goodness, go on it. Look at it, it's blue.
Blue.
Get up.
Oh my gosh. These are old trains.
Okay, let's go. This one's really wide.
White. Hi. Let's go. Wait, we got on this train before? Oh, that's the same one, right?
That's a cool one.
Oh, I think we.
Oh, look at this one.
Oh yeah, that's the same one we got on, right?
Ooh, what's this? Is this the wheels?
Yeah.
Hold on.
This is the train.
This is the wheels. That's the motor truck. Look.
Of the trains? Yeah.
That's how the trucks work. So this is
And
how.
the trains?
Yeah, that's how the trains work. So they connect to the rails. See, you can see the wheel down on the bottom.
Let me see what.
See the rail on the bottom? Down there? And the wheels. The giant wheels. Hold on. That's so cool.
That's so cool.
How about this train?
Yeah, I think we got on that.
What is this?
It looked like.
Look at this. This one's cool. Okay, this is my favorite.
This train? What does this say?
What does what say?
What is this?
That?
Yeah.
Court. We're
Court?
at Court Street.
This is the train. This is where the old desk. So the connect. All a long time ago, they put all these trains here at Court.
Look at, we could walk all the way through.
This is Coney Island. That's it.
Coney Island.
I think this is the Q train.
Fuck.
Let's go there.
Where are you?
Okay, in the cars. Pizza, 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 pizza. Pizza, 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 pizza.
Feel the springs? Hey,
Let's go.
look out the window.
This looks like the same subway every time.
Yeah.
Let's get off.
Are you turning the bus?
Yeah.
Wave. Hi.
Hi.
Can I hop on the bus?
Yes.
Okay. Where are we going?
To Brooklyn?
We're going to Brooklyn?
Yeah.
Okay. Honk the horn. Beep beep. Oh, I didn't pay my token. Oh. Bus 1992. Where are we going, sir?
To Bayonne.
We're going to Bayonne? This one leaves the city? Oh, I'm gonna ride your bus, okay?
Okay, sit there.
Oh, I have to sit there?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, you have to give me a ticket.
Oh, here's my money.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Go.
Okay.
Can we have a piece of that?
Oh, you got the red light.
We're not Bayonne yet.
No, we're not there yet? How much further?
Like, to this turn the green, then we're at.
Okay.
One more. Like,
What things did you want? Did you see a train? Good. Go look. Do they have them? Is that the one you like? That one?
this one.
Was the transit museum fun?
Can I show them what we got?
Yeah.
This.
So what's in there? Take it out.
This is this. This is this. And then one.
I can't see. What did you get?
Yeah.
Wow, you got the big train. We'll play with it at home, okay?
And
What did Maxie get?
this.
You got a little train. So
That's the one my brother broke it. Somebody broke my train like that.
yeah, it was old. So we get a new one?
Yeah.